can you protect your finances before a divorce? My name is Goldman, and I'm the director of Goldman and Associates. Our firm has a primary focus on family law issues here in Michigan, and today we're continuing our video series designed to educate and inform the public, so please subscribe to our channel. How do you protect your money? I mean, you're getting divorced. You got bank accounts. You're worried that if the divorce starts, he's going to take all your money, she's going to take all your money. How do you protect it? Well, there's a bunch of things you can do. Number one, if you've got money in a joint bank account and you're worried that your soon-to-be ex is going to clear out that account because they have access just like you do, you better go to the bank and you better move some of that money to a private account that the other side doesn't have access to. Should you move it all? Probably not. If you move it all, you're going to have to explain why you took your half and the other party's half. If you only move half of it, though, and you can show the court, I had $20,000, $10,000 is on at this account. It's at Chase Bank. Here it is, Your Honor. I didn't touch it. I just moved it to protect it. You might have to give that answer, but the court probably won't come down on you for that because it's a way of preserving marital assets. Like I said, it gets murky if you moved all the money, but if you took half, you're certainly in good shape. Now, let's say you moved all of it, and you moved all of it because your soon-to-be ex is a compulsive gambler, and you don't want them gambling away all your money. You could show the court a pattern where you put in money, the other spouse immediately goes and takes it out. If you can show that, then you can probably well explain to the court why it is that you moved the money. I'll never forget it. I had a case once where we were litigating a divorce. Parties had been married for a long time. The guy had been working for Bell Telephone for the longest time. It shows you how far back this goes. And every week he took $50 out of his paycheck and put it into this account. And he'd been working there for 30 years. So when the time came to divide the account, he said, oh, I've got this account too. Well, we looked at it, there was next to nothing in it. And how could that be? He was so puzzled, couldn't believe it. He was putting all this money, his wife, $50 every week, week in, week out. It's $2,500 a year. Over 30 years, $60,000. Where's the money? And then we came to find out, when we got the bank records, he would put the money in on Friday. Come Monday, she would take 45 of it out. And she'd go buy lottery tickets and go spend it on something. Well, that's what happens. So if you're in that situation, you've got to make sure that the money is secure. And if you're dealing with a person who's just a compulsive spender, then you should probably take all of it out, except some very basic money that's necessary to survive, and then explain to the court why you did it and ask the court to order that the money be frozen or at your discretion, pending further order of the court. Sometimes it's necessary to do those things to preserve the finances before the divorce is finalized. If you have any questions about your case, reach out and we'll be glad to help you out.